exploring Gemini Advanced Deep Research for business students and professors. Throughout this segment, we'll be conducting a SWOT analysis for Walmart to understand the strengths and limitations for this research platform. What is Gemini Advanced Deep Research? According to their website, Deep Research uses AI to explore complex topics on your behalf and provide you with findings in a comprehensive, easy-to-read report, and is a first look at how Gemini is getting even better at tackling complex tasks to save you time. So let's take a look at its features. So first, we're going to go into Google. From here, I'm going to click on the Google Apps icon located on the right-hand side. I'm going to stroll to Gemini. From here, we're going to set up our first prompt. Provide me with a SWOT analysis for Walmart. Now that it has provided us with a SWOT analysis report, we can see the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats based on this company. One of the good features that I like about this particular platform is that it simplifies everything in bullet points. So as we can see, the strengths of Walmart, the weaknesses, opportunities, threats. In addition to that, it shows exactly where it's getting its information from. So if I wanted to understand the intense competition under this threat section and where they retrieve their information from, we could click on this Learn More tab and we can see where it pulled its information. In addition to this, it provides us with financial performance, competitors, industry trends, research initiatives and strategies, corporate social responsibility, and it provides us an overview in the conclusion. We can see that it looked at 38 different websites based on the information. Some of the resources here are beyond credible, and what I mean by that, as we can see here with the statistics and facts from Statista, which is a reliable database, a well-known resource, and we can see the SEC filings. Some of the other websites I looked at seem to be pretty credible, but I would be mindful. I'm not sure how they deal with their artificial hallucination problem, so just be mindful of that. Some of the other features that I like about Google Advanced Deep Research is that if I go to Open in Docs, it will open it directly into Google Docs. So if I click on here, I will have a SWOT analysis report that is clean, structured, and most importantly, if I scroll down here, it will give us our work cited below. Next, what I'm going to do is explore its capabilities with its financial information. So I'm going to prompt it as provide me with a financial analysis of their cash flow for the past 3 years. From here, you can see that it's going to research websites, and we're going to do it again. So as we can see here, it provides us the cash flow for operating activities, and it provides us for all 3 years. It gives us an overview. And if we scroll down here, we can see it provides us the conclusion of it, and we're searched over 43 different websites, which is really gets to understand where we're getting the resources and the financial data from. I did a comparative analysis on the financial information between Walmart's 10K report and Deep Research, and as we can see here, the information is spot on, which is a really good sign in terms of getting credible financial information from this AI platform. The next prompt focuses on pulling peer review articles on Walmart's management strategies. So I'm going to type in, provide me with 3 peer review articles on Walmart's management strategies, and press enter. From here, we're going to start research. Now that it has provided us with 3 peer review articles for Walmart's management strategies, we can see that it gives us the methodologies, an overview of each and every article, which is great, a conclusion, but most importantly, it provides us with the article directly. So if I wanted the peer review article, we can click here and we can download the peer review article. Now that we look at ResearchGate, it looks more of a report rather than a peer review article. So I'm going to go back and look at the other articles to see if it's peer reviewed or not. So according to this is a particular report and not a peer reviewed article. So I'm going to go to Article 2 to just see if it's peer reviewed or not. So it connects us directly to ResearchGate once again. I'm going to download the PDF. And this in fact looks like a peer-reviewed publication. It has an abstract, keywords, and the introduction. Now let's take a look at Article 3. I'm going to go back here. And this in fact looks like a peer-reviewed publication as well. One of the critical challenges that I see in this platform is that we asked it for peer-reviewed publications, and out of the 3 articles, 2 were peer-reviewed publications and 1 was not. I'm going to reprompt it to ask it for citations based on these articles. So my prompt will be, create a works cited page in APA format of all the articles that are mentioned in this report. As you can see, it provides us with the APA citations for only 2 out of the 3 publications that are mentioned based on our previous prompt. This is probably one of the key challenges, is understanding why it's not giving us the citations for all of the articles that were mentioned. My wish list for Gemini Advanced Deep Research. Incorporating Google Scholar into deep research would be a significant move. It would be a game changer for researchers, faculty, and students to get credible information rather than relying on websites. Having citation management plugins would be beyond helpful for faculty and researchers. So whether it's connecting with EndNote or Zotero, this would be better to streamline this process of citations throughout their journey with researching. A function that allows researchers to create data visualizations would be great. I didn't really see that functionality here, but this would be a plus for researchers and students alike. And if you're interested in learning more about incorporating AI tools into your everyday classroom activities or in your research, please pick up my book, 30 AI Tools, Leveraging AI for Efficiency for Educators, Librarians, and Researchers at the link below. I want to thank everyone for watching this segment. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to contact me at jonathan.torres@rutgers.edu. Feel free to network with me on X or LinkedIn. With that being said, thank you so much.